Peace, peace. I just got back from an event with the FRRC, right? I don't know if you heard of the FRRC. It's Florida Rights Restoration Coalition. Man, it's a dynamic group. They're pioneering something very significant for returning citizens. And one of the craziest things is all the people in the admin roles are returning citizens, so they understand the plight, understand the struggle. Um, One of the important things that I learned there is that this organization, FRRC, if you're in Florida, they're assisting residents with paying their fines and fees so you can get your right to vote back. You know, I went there, they're not concerned about who you vote for, they're just concerned that you vote, that you exercise your right to vote. And just the stories in the mission and the actual overall vibe of the whole thing was amazing. I am so excited. I went to a breakout session. The breakout session talked about housing. And there was a brother in there on the panel that's actually doing every day what I'm dreaming of doing every day. Like, he's actually living my dream. And the brother was humble enough. His name is Davion Hampton. He shot me his contact information. I met his scheduler, his secretary, so I'm going to talk to her and get on their schedule, and I want to get down there and learn from the brother. I'm so excited, man. Just such good people. I'm actually going to tap in. I'm going to tap in with some time. I'm going to tap in with some energy and dedication and, try to get some of that 20 to 30-year-old demographic to show up next year. But for the FRRC, y'all really captivated me. I thank Troy for getting me down there. It was a lady that called my phone named Brandy with 2 E's. And I told her that I was gonna, actually do something, and she was just patient and understood. So it's an amazing group. If you're a returning citizen, if you're directly impacted or indirectly impacted by, the criminal justice system, or know someone that's a returning citizen, understand that tap into this group, because if your fines can get paid or fees can get paid, they're there to assist you. The ultimate goal is to get you out to vote. They actually have a program where if you get arrested, because some people are receiving voter registration cards that don't have a right to vote, so they have funds to come in and get you out, to bail you out. They show up within 24 hours. And they have a defense fund they're putting together if you're impacted by that situation where you're going to vote and the police showing up, dragging you out for voter fraud. So tap into the FRRC. I definitely am. Tell my people vote. Tell them vote. Desmond said something when he was up on that stage. He said it's what you gonna do for the least of them, because when we get out here and help with organizations like the FRRC, it's not about what I'm gonna get. It's not really a benefit to me. It's a benefit to the people as a whole, and really challenge you, humbling, like what you standing for. So thank y'all. Thank you, Troy. Thank you, Darren. Thank you, Lakita. Thank you, my wife, for going with me. I met some amazing people. Mr. Hampton, I look very forward to tapping in and just understanding from another returning citizen that's actually doing what I dream of doing. Man, thank y'all. Thank you for everything. It was very insightful, very educational, but more than anything, it was just emotionally inspiring. So I am humbled. I'm back. I'm a new me. My wife and I said coming back, like, wow, we don't even feel the same after coming from that convener. We don't even feel like we're on the same mission. She understands me more because she was there and she's seen a different side of returning citizens than she's seen before. So thank y'all. I am indebted. I appreciate you. And I got some service I'm gonna show y'all. So stay humble, stay heavily motivated, sit down. Peace.